Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to survive your first night in survival mode. First, you're going to get some wood. Let's chop this tree down. Very nice wood. Okay, once you've got the tree, you make wooden planks, and you make a workbench. Make a crafting table. Plonk that down there. Open up the crafting, and get sticks, and then you make a wooden pickaxe. Then just mine some of this stone. Whoops. Well, that's a lava pool. I don't want to die in that. So, let's take the workbench and find somewhere else to dig. And here I'm just going to make a little hole for us to live in for the night. I found some stone. Just need to dig a hole for us to live in for the night. Just mine all that. And you need to find some coal. First plonk that down there. Then we make a stone pickaxe. Stone pickaxe is better than a wooden pickaxe. It lasts longer and it mines faster. Need some food as well. Let's get these mushrooms. I saw some red mushrooms over there. So we can make some mushroom stew. Let's get that. Now, you don't want to kill all these chickens, but you can kill some, because you need to breed the animals. So, I forgot to make a sword. Yeah, this video is not going to be long. Anyway, I'll just make some charcoal. And then I got enough left for a sword. Enough stone blocks. Oops, didn't get that recipe right. Now, I'm gonna go with chickens. Dig that area out. And what's the time? 9. It's midday, so have pretty good timing. Enough time to survive the night. There's chicken. I'll just kill. Yeah, let's kill one more. Some XP. Okay, 2 pieces of chicken would be enough. And we got some mushroom stew. If you're in need of food, let's make some mushroom stew. Let's go back into our home. Oh, I need to make an axe. And just make an axe like this. Oops. Like that. And just start harvesting wood. The axe is much faster than using your bare hand. And yeah. We'll break now with a pickaxe. Yes. Okay, I got 7 wood, and we can. If you don't find coal on your first day, you can just make charcoal. It acts the same as coal, but it's easier to make. You make it. Just make the house. Neat. Okay, what's the time? Looks like the sun's going down. So I have to do this quickly. I think it's going down. I'm not sure. Well, it looks like it. Or is it going up? Okay, we need to make a door. Charcoal. And just make sorry, that's stomach. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Just harvest this tree. Sorry about that lag there. And remember, this is the lava pool. Don't want to die in that. Whoa, it's laggy. And get the door. And put the door down. And then, just to finish it off with a torch. And yeah, sword, protect yourself. Block. Just wait out here for the night. Now you can move on to building some more things, some more structures. And we've got all of the charcoal finished cooking. Let's take that out. And I didn't make a shovel. Didn't have enough stone, so now we can make a stone shovel. And let's remove these I'll make some more torches. Sorry about the brightness in this video, but fix it in a couple of videos next. It's night time now. Thanks for watching, and remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm not that good at making videos, but we'll get better through videos, and I hope we get some subscribers, and see you all next time. That was a bit of fail. Oops. Thanks for watching.